Ripoti ya uthuthuria kampuni ya Timely Kenya nionanitie ati MERU baingi ni bakwendekithia gavana KAWIRA Mwangaza kumaru kwa UTONGERIA. Gicunjĩ kĩa 88 gatanta mugwanja ni kiendekithĩtie gavana ARITITE undu gicunjĩ kĩa 26 gatanta mugwanja bakwendekithia etana mbere gutongeria ta gavana wa MERU. Uthuthuria bubu bura buthithĩtwe kiricigo kenda bia MERU buronania icunjĩ kĩa 90 na imo kuma kirigana BARIUGA gavana ATIINA umbani buo UTONGERIA na nethagirwo ari na maruru untu bara bakuga ni bukwangaratania anene UTONGERIA antu bara bakinyiri na kurwa biure ni kampuni eje NKURUKI ni bagwetana mbere na kuga thina ingi ya gavana KAWIRA ni kurega gutuya UTONGERIA BANGI na kinya kwage mirandi kuoneka ya weti na mbere. Boniface Mongera
Thunduria kampuni UTWIRIA Timely Kenya borobora kiretu entu kwenarwa boronania mungana jwa 64 gatiro mogwanje bakwithira bakendekithiria gavana wa kaunti MERU BIKAWIRA Mwangaza hethirwa kebiro GITINE karukire mapema arebo bangi nabo mungana jwa 26 gatiro mogwanja bakwendekithiria nenkirwe kanya endere gwitira ntu ba NGUGI.
According to the people, Governor Mwangaza's biggest blunders were 90% of the people felt like her respondents think she lacks the emotional intelligence and she has a sharp tongue. 83% of the people feel like she works alone, never recognizes other leaders. 79% of the people feel her fallout with her deputy governor and the CS Linturi, who hails from Nyambene, could be one of her biggest blunders. 65% of the people feel like her naivety, her big-headedness, and she's too petty. 65% of the people feel like micromanaging of the county governance. She was micromanaging it. 64% presence of Murega Baichu annoys some of the people there. 60% of the people uneven resources distribution, and 59% lack of sustainable developments in the county.
Kulingana na Timely Kenya, BARIUGA kirito kenabia kaunti MERU birabaroja ni temoni yeto kigembe boga itiki UTONGERIA na ntuba bangi barba kwenda gavana KAWIRA Mwangaza thirwa kiana area ni mwana jwa 44 mwana jwa 10 bakiuga kana yeto kigembe gategate mwana jwa 79 BARIUGA ne mwana jwa 15 bakauga kana igembe borogoro mwana jwa 70 BARIUGA ne mwana jwa 28 bakauga kana kere gitokyo bungi getigania east mwana jwa 74 BARIUGA 8 mwana jwa 22 bakauga narekerwe rotero atigania west mwana jwa 67 BARIUGA 8 mwana jwa 28 bakauga kana NKURUKI Timely barendere bakorotero sentiment mwana jwa 68 BARIUGA 8 mwana jwa 26 bakauga kana rotero no adiment naru mwana jwa 64 BARIUGA 8 mwana jwa 30 bakauga narekerwe imentie boga iti mwana jwa 61 BARIUGA 8 karukire mapema mwana jwa 35 bakauga narekerwe rotero bole naku nare gavana KAWIRA Mwangaza umite Timely Kenya baro mwana jwa 51 barendana mwana jwa 26 bakauga kana.
Has Governor Mwangaza followed senators' instructions that were previously issued? We asked this to the people and these were their responses. 78% of the people felt like she hadn't, so it was a no from them. 20.5% of the people felt like yes, she had adhered to what it was issued. 1% don't remember the instructions, and 0.5% of the people refused to give us an answer to this.
Ja bono botengani na nonto baba ingi bo bakwithiro bakiuga akethiro akino kwibunge county BARIUGA endera kire bunge senate kuinombe kyobunene mono na mwana jwa 43 gaturo mogwanja akethiro akianwa aria bangi nabo bako mwana jwa 12 gaturo mogwanja bunge senate ya mwigiro kyao.
The reasons for Senate to save her: the Senate is a sober house and won't entertain any emotions. No enough grounds for her impeachment. She has money, it will protect her. A miracle might happen.
Na kevaria bakuwa bunge Senate kethre muringeria itomi byao na bibibi.
Second time, and she was warned. His Excellency President Ruto and his deputy Rigathi Gachagua won't intervene this time. The grounds for impeachment are apparent. Senators will feel guilty for disappointing MERU people for the second time.
boboria unabu bonge kulingana na temle Kenya barionaniria kweja kwa bunge seneti kethire kirutia gavana Kawira Mwangaza neja gwita kotini kunombekyo bunene mono na mwanaja 55 koti kethire gitikaniria na tuwe senate aria bangi nabo mwanaja 42 bakwithira bakiuga koti ikamushokia gitine.
We had a sample size of 2,509 respondents across 9 constituencies in MERU. The margin of error was 1.88. Kindly take note, the margin of error was 1.88, a plus or a negative. The medium of data collection was one-on-one interviews, and the sampling technique was the use of ODK, which is an open data kit collection method. Dates of sampling 25th September to 5th October 2023.
Nke reporter Antosharu TV Njuma kumaja kingine kinene Nairobi mbita Boniface Mungera.